Hello, welcome back and thanks for joining me. It's Judy from Thistledew Creations, and today I just wanted to do a quick little video to show you what my sister gave me for my birthday, part of what she gave me for my birthday. She had I think it was the card that was in the bag, or maybe it was my little junk journal that she made me. So a brown paper bag, really nice, sort of a parchment paper feel paper bag. And I'll get these things out of the way first. I really love the color turquoise, and she knows that. And so she got me this Regal Line USA snack plate and 2 mugs. So just a delightful little thing to have your lemonade in. And I treasure that and absolutely love it. And then she put this in this little bag. This is a different brand and a different tone of turquoise, but love them both. Duraware made in Canada for this one, and we got 2 plates and 2 teacups or mugs. So these mugs are a little bigger. Very fun stuff. And she put that in this little MetLife bag, which I think she mentioned that she thought too that it came from our cousin-in-law, Jennifer, from down in North Carolina, when she sent us a package. And then she got me this mug, stainless steel insulated coffee mug with the lid in the black and white plaid, which I really like. And I don't know that brand, Manna, but that'll be a good one to keep my coffee warm when I'm out on the porch. And then the card to my older sister: happy birthday from the best gift our parents ever gave you. I thought that was great. And to Judy, happy 60, that's old, LOL. Love Kelly Jo. She's a couple years younger than me, so her turn's coming. And then she made me this little junk journal with a tassel on it. She believed she could, so she did. And a pair of hearts and a dragonfly and a feather. And a beautiful turquoise cover. And I think this script is just part of the paper design. A little bit of lace, a little bit more paper on top, and some jute twine. And then inside here we have a pocket with this tag. Even though you're my sister and it's your birthday, I won't go overboard with the mushy stuff, but I will tell you this: I love you, and that says it all right there. Happy birthday. Isn't that great? And then this paper with the bees. And here we have a little belly band with a tissue box cut out from the hole with some clusters, and there's a flattened candy wrapper on there. I love that. Canada Post thing. Some coffee dyed papers. And this looks like maybe out of a vintage children's book or something. And then another little cluster down below that with a US stamp and some buffalo plaid. Some butterflies, teal butterflies. And then over on this side, we've got a little mason jar sitting on a corrugated cardboard something. And in the pocket here, we have a couple of things: a bookmark style tag with a little bit of a shaker pocket thing going on with, actually they don't move, but it's using the window from an envelope. And I recognize this scrapbook paper. Very pretty. And the cute little bird. And a denim tassel. And then this card has a little excerpt from Footprints in the Sand and a bee. And just a little place to write. And then another pocket. A couple more little clusters here. Another one of these tags with a dragonfly and a purple flower. A bit of book page. And another tissue box center with some of her woven paper. A couple of buttons. A little bit of yarn. And then just a really neat little collage on the back. Again, some children's book pages as well. I love the paper, music paper with the bees. And then Take Me Home with a mountain scene and some trees. We're from West Virginia, so of course that's right out of the song. Take Me Home, Country Roads. A little bit of tape measure. That looks very much like my cat, Eve. And then this is a Tim Hortons cup wrapper, I'm sure. I love the way she did that. And then this little fancy topped tag with a sewing theme. And looks like the lines made with the cup wrapper. Very cute little junk journal. Add that to my collection. And then inside of a gift bag where she had done like a Celebrate It collage on the front, there's an altered book. So treasure your memories and follow your dreams. I'm not sure where that came from, but that's a cool bookmark. And she did a little bit of collaging on the front and the spine of this book. She did like a mountain scene for me, which I love. And it shows the river. My grandparents and my mom grew up or lived on the Elk River in West Virginia. So I really like that. And then she didn't do much to the book itself, but what she did tell me was that she kind of imagined me using this. It's a Great Small Things by Jodi Picoult. And she thought that I could use this book. This is obviously from the jacket. She thought that I could use this book to store all of the happy mail that I got for my 60th birthday, which was the other gift that she gave me. She organized for a lot of my original members, because she had an early address list that she was working from, but she reached out to them and a whole bunch of them sent me happy mail to her address so she could gather them all up and give them to me on my birthday weekend, it was such a great surprise when she gave me this gift when we visited my son, Carson, in the afternoon. And then when we got back to our hotel room, then she pulled out the big bag full of happy mail and said, I did a thing, and proceeded to dump it on the bed